Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. On today's exciting episode, we are going to do an unboxing of the all-new Kobalt X.T.R line. This is the impact driver. As the kit comes with a new battery, all that stuff. We're going to go over the specs, we're going to go over the features, we're going to test it out, and let you know if it's worth your money or not. So stick around the end. You're not going to want to miss this video. Hit that intro. Alright, here she is in all her glory. I've been dying to open this, guys, and I didn't even cheat and open it up to charge it up. You get the first crack at it. Look, even has a little safety tie still on it. Ooh, broke the seal. Alright. So, it claims it's 4,000 impacts per minute, which is more than Milwaukee. Milwaukee is 3,800 impacts per minute. Comes with a 4.0 new battery, what that's of course everybody wants to see. Now it claims it has 2,400 inch-pounds of torque on high. Low is 1,500, medium is 1,800, and high is 2,400. So if that's true, it might be able to beat the Milwaukee. We're gonna put it to the test, not this video, but a coming up video, and see if it can beat the Milwaukee. Actually, it's not the cheapest case in the world. It actually has some aluminum type metal latches that have Kobalt engraved on it. Now this is what everybody's been dying to get their hands on, this new battery. Let's see, she comes, 1 bar of course. This is a new 4.0. It has a 21700 cells in it. Finally upgraded their battery. But I hate this. It still comes with a slow old charger. You know, a 40 volt or watt, whatever it is. Excuse me. It's their trickle charger. Yeah, 45 watt charger. I need to get the 100 watt one that charges them a lot faster. So I'm gonna slap this bad boy on the charger real quick. Let's get her charged up. Alright, here we go, guys. Smell that smell. Smells like fresh Chinesium to me. Alright, there's nothing else really in the case. Got your nice little handy dandy tracker kit here. Pop that thing out there. Courtesy of the FBI or CIA, one of them ABC companies. Instruction manual. I don't know why they put that in there. And it comes with a belt clip. Let's get another battery. Pop it on here and see how she sounds. I hope this doesn't have the delay like this skill does. Holy crap. That's a huge difference. Look. Low. Wait, hold on. This is auto. 1, 2. Listen to that. That's nuts. Where's my other Kobalt? Okay. So this is high on the Kobalt original. High on the new one. Listen to that. Way more RPMs. Yeah, the old one is 2,700 RPMs. The new one is 3,400. So overall, it's maybe a millimeter smaller. It looks pretty much the same. The grip, that's what I really like this Kobalt, is because it has a good grip on it. I like that. Ooh, was that a hiccup in the trigger like the Milwaukee has? You know, you pull the trigger too fast and sometimes it doesn't work. The light is on the bottom, where before the light was right here. So as we can tell on the top, there's more venting on the new one. You got a vent here, 2 in the back. Where the old one has a solid rear cap. Same screw positions on the front. The anvil looks identical, really. It's a smidge shorter, like I said. It almost looks like it's. Does it look skinnier than the old one? This one looks fatter. All right, let's go over the box one more time. 4,000 impacts per minute. First gear, 0 to 1950 RPMs. Second gear, 0 to 2,600 RPMs. Third gear, 0 to 3,400 RPMs. Max torque, like I said, is 1,500. Second gear is 18, and third is 2,400. Impacts per minute. 2500, 3400, and 4000. High, medium, low again. Comes with a charger, belt clip, blah, 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 blah. Assist mode. Reduces screw cam out and cross threading, kind of like the original one. Yeah. Okay, all you guys out there who get mad at me for comparing this to an 18 volt, let me set the record straight, guys. So if anybody knows anything about batteries, I know most of you do, an 18 volt battery is really a 20 volt. They're all the same. 18s, the 20s, they're the freaking same. If you hook a tester up to them, it'll say 20 volts if it's fully charged, right? So 20 volt is the max out of the 18 volt you can get, right? And the 24 volt is also the max you can get out of this. The nominal operating voltage is 21 volts. So all you guys who give me crap about that, it's really like a 1.5 volt difference when I'm comparing this to an 18 volt tool. That's really like 21.5 versus like 1920. See what I'm saying? So it's not like there's a huge 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. Not like there's a 6 watt difference when I'm using it. A couple maybe, but there's really not that much of a difference, guys. I know a lot of you guys are going to argue with me about that, but I don't care. All right, guys, one quick little sample for you. A couple of these little 3-inch specs real quick. I'm dying to see what it can do. Also, I thought it was interesting, the collet is not, it's not pushing. Okay, let's see. High. Fully charged up 4.0 battery. I know this is the old one, but the new one's still charging. Ready, get set, go. That is fast. Holy crap. Wow. Alright, just for comparison, we'll do the old one. High with the 4, here we go. See the difference? Way slower. Alright, let's try the skill. On high. Ready, go. That's like a freaking snail. And that's a fully charged up. Very interesting, very interesting. Alright guys, so thanks for coming along with that quick little unboxing of the new Kobalt. Man, I'm super pumped to try this out against some other tools. Let me know, guys, should I do it against the old Kobalt, the Skill, which is almost the exact same as this, or should we go right for the King and try to dethrone the Milwaukee? Let me know down below, guys. Put them in the comments, give me your opinions, give me your feedback. Let me know if you've used this and what you think of it. Alright guys, videos coming out real soon. We're going to do a lot of versus videos with this. You guys pick the first one, what we're going to do. And then the second one, we'll try to dethrone the Milwaukee. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Guys, stay safe. Have a blessed day. Until next time, see ya.